Hi, welcome to Shelley Studio, and I think we're on day 12. And okay, this is the last bird I will attempt for a little while, but I thought I'd change it up a little bit. So this is inspired by a different artist. Her name is Karen with a C, and her last name is Fawcett. And I've seen some of her works, and she does a lot with crows and other birds, and so I thought I would give it a try. She has a bit of an abstracted background. Mine is a lot more geometric than hers, but sort of the same kind of idea. Anyway, it's just a little bit of a spin-off from that, and I'm just gonna play music again, and I hope you enjoy. So I noticed as I was painting this, I dripped a little bit of water on one of the spots. Now the paint was a little bit damp, but when I go over it, see how it lifted like all the way back to the gesso. So instead of fighting it and trying to paint over it, I decided I would splatter some water all over and see what it would do. I mean, I thought it was really strange, and I wiped it. I don't think you see that part. But see how it lifted the color? I mean, the color was a little damp. It wasn't like completely dry, but I just thought that was really strange how it did that. But anyways, I just used that drip and incorporated it into the background. So one of the paintings that Karen did has like a really cool sunrise sort of abstract looking sun, I guess. And I really wanted to kind of incorporate that or do something similar. So this is my attempt at that. I really need to work on my bird silhouettes. So I'm just about done. This is the last birds I'll do for a little while. Maybe I'll revisit birds. I don't know. But I hope you're enjoying #AcrylicApril. Check out the link to Cinnamon Cooney's The Art Sherpa's page. Should be in the description box below. And if you haven't seen any of my others, I think I have a playlist out there. I'll put that below as well. And if you like this, please hit like, feel free to share, comment, and if you'd like to see more from me, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.